In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect scrambled eggs. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef looking to refine your breakfast routine, this guide will break down each step to help you create fluffy, delicious scrambled eggs every time. Let's begin by gathering our ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, a pinch of salt, a bit of pepper, some butter, and a splash of milk or cream. These simple ingredients are key to achieving those delectably soft curds that make scrambled eggs so irresistible. Start by cracking the eggs into a bowl, taking care to avoid any shell fragments. Once all your eggs are in the bowl, add a splash of milk or cream. This addition isn't just for flavor. It actually contributes to the eggs' creaminess by introducing air, making them fluffier and lighter. Then a generous pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Don't be afraid to season adequately. This is where your eggs will get their basic flavor foundation. Now it's time to beat the eggs. Use either a whisk or a fork to combine the ingredients in the bowl, aiming for a uniform pale yellow mixture. The goal here is to blend the whites and yolks thoroughly, incorporating the milk and seasonings evenly. A well-mixed egg ensures even cooking and texture. Next, we move to the stovetop. Place a non-stick skillet over low to medium-low heat. This temperature ensures your eggs cook gently, preventing them from becoming rubbery or dry. Drop a small pat of butter into the pan, allowing it to melt completely. The butter not only adds flavor, but also helps to prevent the eggs from sticking. With the butter melted and slightly foaming, pour the egg mixture into the skillet. Let it sit undisturbed for a moment. As the edges begin to set, take a spatula and gently stir the eggs, pushing them from the edges toward the center. The key is to move slowly and gently, creating soft, large curds. A continuous, slow stir will prevent the eggs from cooking too fast on any one side. As you stir, you'll notice the eggs slowly thickening. It's vital to remove them from the heat while they're still slightly glossy, as carryover cooking will finish them to the perfect consistency. Overcooking is a common misstep, leading to dry eggs, so err on the side of underdone. Finally, once you've achieved that desired texture, transfer the eggs immediately to a warm plate. Letting them sit in the pan even off the heat can result in further cooking. For a finishing touch, season with a little more salt and pepper, if preferred, and consider throwing in some finely chopped herbs or a sprinkle of cheese for extra flavor. And there you have it, a reliable method for making scrambled eggs that are soft, creamy, and wonderfully satisfying. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with the heat and time